but I've just put up the tree without the lights regardless. Christmas tree, not Christmas tree. Who they find lights, they overdo. Good morning. It's 2 days away from Christmas. Yes. And I just want to have breakfast and set up my Christmas tree. Don't see anything. Yeah, I know. Lots of people have set up their Christmas tree months or a month, few weeks ago. And I'm just setting up mine 2 days to Christmas. I've basically not just had the morale, like despite watching a lot of vlogs of people setting up their Christmas trees, I've not just had the morale plus work. I come back very tired and I have absolutely no ginger to do anything other than eat and rest. So yeah, I finally summed up the energy to do it today because I'm going to be working Christmas and Boxing Day, so I figure I better just do it today and get it done with. And then I have the new year off. So yeah, breakfast first and then the Christmas tree second. In that order because I'm starving.
Have heard on hush, sweetly singing o'er the plains and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous. Oh, by your joyous, strange prologue. But the gladsome tidings be, which by your helpless song. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. See him in the mangle, whom the choirs of angels praise. Mary, Joseph, while our hearts we raise. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Excelsis Deo.
Oh, okay, the middle school comeback, nice. I'll be a real problem solve, okay?
Convinced that the impurities were a threat to peace. That makes sense. You see, it just came down. Not at all.
It made my life so many help.
I'm going to eat now. I'm eating ewagoi and some agege bread. My Christmas tree I put up, but it's not complete without the lights, but I mean I was able to do without. So I am going to speak with the landlord, my landlord, and see if he can get the lights from where they are, because I can't access them. But I've just put up the tree without the lights regardless. Christmas tree, not Christmas tree. Who they find lights, they overdo. Right. So let's hit watch more of my series, and then I'll go back into my room and have some rest. Bye.